first of all, I just want to state that NCAA rules prohibit a college coach to discuss specifics about their particular institution, but they may provide general information about their division and recruiting process. Some questions may be better suited for a personal contact with a specific coach. So you can't really ask them, hey, how many scholarships do you have this year? What are you doing with them? This and that, and specific things about their school. So when I go to the questions, please be respectful of that. So we'll start off. First question, when does the college search / recruitment process start? Anyone that wants to go, just pick up the mic, or if you want to project, I think the mic might work better, and we'll go from there. The mic on first gets to answer the question.
Okay. I don't know if I should take this as an insult, but someone said I was the most experienced, so I think that means I'm the oldest, and knows what the recruiting process used to be like at this level. But I think one of the things I think you should understand is that the evaluation process is sort of an ongoing one, and so I don't know that it has a starting point, because anytime we walk out to a field, there could be a multitude of ages out there, freshmen, sophomores and juniors, and at some events and some things you go to, maybe a high school game and maybe freshmen all the way through senior. So from an evaluation standpoint, I think probably everyone at this table would say anytime we're out watching a soccer game, we're always evaluating talent. Pete today was even asking some of the guys' names because he was, I think, evaluating for his men's coach. So the evaluation process really is ongoing. I think if you're on a soccer field and you're in high school, chances are there's a college coach who's watching at some point in time from an evaluation standpoint. I think from a recruiting process, the same should happen on your side of the equation. As soon as you start thinking about college, your evaluation process should start. You're driving by a campus, you're on a college campus because you're taking your brother and dropping him off. You should start thinking about what kind of college experience on the soccer field, off the soccer field that you want to have. So that process can start as early as you want. The recruiting process, take the evaluation piece out of it, I think for us at the Division I level really has started to trickle down into your sophomore year, where I think a lot of conversations between coaches and specific athletes are starting to take place at the sophomore year in high school, and a lot of players by the time they're juniors in high school have made choices and made verbal commitments from that standpoint, and we'll probably get into later at what all of that means. But I think for a lot of people, even to hear that specific conversations with college coaches and student athletes are taking place during their sophomore year in high school is a little bit earlier than it has been. But I think in order to be ready for that, then you have to realize that the evaluation process starts as soon as you want it to start. And for us, I think it starts the second we start seeing any games at the high school level. So yeah, we're evaluating freshmen. I don't know that we know exactly what we need when we're looking at freshmen, but we're looking at them to see some of the things that they bring to the table at that point in time.
Thank you, Jan.